With this session, we are going to discuss about chemical reaction terminology. There are some basic terminologies which are used very frequently in chemical reaction, like what are cations, what are anions, what are electropositive elements, what are electronegative elements. So with this session, we are going to discuss about what are these terms. Like first, I'm going to about cations and anions. When any ionic substance, ionic means they have charge. Whenever any substance take a part in reaction, they are allowed to lose electron or gain electron. If any substance they are allowed to lose electron, automatically the number of electron present in their atomic structure it get less as compared to number of protons. And as we know, the protons in atomic structure have positive charge and electron have negative charge. And if some substance lose the electron, automatically the positive charge nature becomes strong. So that substance by losing electron get moved towards the positive charge. And that is why that substance is shows at the superscript side the positive sign. This positive sign is represents that substance are cation. So we can say cations is nothing but when any ionic substance, if you see that ionic substance with the positive charge. So such substance is considered as a cation because in their atomic structure number of protons are more than compared to number of electrons. Like you can see the Ag plus, H plus and H4 plus. So here the plus sign shows it means these sub elements already give one electron to any other substance. That is why they give the plus one charge. Means automatically as compared to the number of protons and electron, they have one more proton as compared to electron in their structure. Like you consider as hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic number is 1. So it have only one proton and one electron in their structure. If this one electron it give to another substance, so now it's have only one proton and proton have positive charge which represented here. It means now in their structure of hydrogen only have one proton. So that's why it shows its charge by positive sign. So we can say the cation is nothing but a substance with a positive charge by giving electron to any other substance. Now we'll go into the anions. Anions is also ionic substance but with the negative charge. It means that's completely a reverse mode of that cation we consider in which the number of electrons are more than protons. Electron have negative charge and proton have positive charge. If some substance gain more electron, automatically the negative charge on that substance get increased and the completely substance move towards the negative direction and it get a negative charge. So such substance is considered as anion. So we can see here oxygen is mentioned -2. So it is also an ion because of the negative charge. That fluorine is also have a -1. Here the chlorine is also have a -1. Means here in the atomic structure of such ionic substance have more electron as compared to the proton in number. So if in any substance you will see the positive charge, it means this is the ionic substance which are cationic in nature. And if you see the negative charge on any substance, it means this ionic substance are anionic in nature. Now we discuss about the electropositive elements or electronegative elements. It's electropositive means by the giving electron if any substance have ability to get positive charge. So such substance is considered as electropositive element. Means any element have a ability to lose electron and to convert itself as an ion cation. So here that substance is considered as electropositive element. Like same Ag, it is electropositive element because it have a capability to lose electron and convert itself as cation. So here you can see the difference. If we discuss about electropositive elements, so it's Ag. But if we discuss about the cation, it means Ag plus. Means it is already given that electron but it have a ability to lose electron. Okay, now we'll move towards the electronegative elements. Means such element have ability to gain electron and form itself as an ion, like most of nonmetals, oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen, chlorine, bromine. So these elements have a ability to gain electron and convert itself as an ion by getting the negative charge. So you can see here, if I'll consider oxygen here, so here this O represent as electronegative element, but here this O minus 2 is represented as an ion because here it have a ability to gain electron and it already gain electron. Okay, so we can say the electropositive and negative elements which have a ability to lose electron or gain electron respectively, and the cations and anions which already given electron they are considered as cations, where already gained electron they are considered as anion. Now with this all this term I will share with you with one more example here. Now you can see here I'm going to react with the potassium with sulfur. How the potassium is a metal and the sulfur is non-metal. Like you can see, this sulfur to fulfill their octet, it needs two electrons, and one potassium atom can give one electron. So here we'll take two potassium atoms, which give one electron to the sulfur. After giving that electron, one electron by one potassium atom, it's get the positive charge. So you can see in both potassium, you get the positive charge. And by both of the potassium get one electron, the sulfur get the minus 2 charge. Okay, so here how we can derive the terminology about the cation, anion, electropositive elements and electronegative elements. So you see that potassium K have a ability to lose electrons. So this is considered as electropositive element. Here the sulfur, it have a ability to gain electron. That's why the sulfur is considered as electronegative element. Now that K plus, it already give electron, means it get convert as a ionic substance. So because it give electron, so it's considered as cation. Now here the sulfur already taken electrons, so it's become an ionic substance, and by gaining electrons convert itself as an ion. So here it's form K2S. Here the K is the cation and sulfur is an ion. So with this term you can consider as which is electropositive element, which are electronegative elements, what are cations and what are anions. With this note we conclude this session. We'll see you in next session.